This is a stay away from the dip, because this is the beginning of what could potentially be the complacency wave for Bitcoin. And I explained to you guys that although I'm happy for the all-time high, there's a worry, because you can clearly see with each new high, Bitcoin has significantly lost momentum. It's making higher highs, but it's making less profound higher highs for those holding it, and that's losing momentum. And the problem with when it loses momentum is that when you have a hell of a lot of momentum, the distance between the higher high and where that support lives are quite big. So there's room for retraces, big flushes in the market, and the narrative still remains bullish. But as soon as we have these low performing higher highs, once we fall below that pivot, there's no room for that big retrace. It's not a normal buy the dip anymore. This is a stay away from the dip, because this is the beginning of what could potentially be the complacency wave for Bitcoin. Complacency is near the end of a bull market. So you'll have nice big upside, euphoria, everybody holding Bitcoin thinks they're geniuses, and now you've got this complacency. Everybody's saying this just needs to cool off. And in complacency, nothing fundamentally changes. Okay, so you can't use those things. You can only use technical analysis to identify complacency in the market structure. That's the biggest trick, because a great coin will remain great at the height of every bull market and at the low of every bull market. Hells no, because what we have now is we rejected actually at 115, and we're about to fill that wick and some, which means our targets for where Bitcoin is going to find a floor has to shift.